Hello everyone. No. Why did you literally just come up my shoulder? Oh my god. We're creeping in. Thought I would vlog tonight because I've not actually vlogged in a while and Rachel's here for the weekend with us. What are we doing tonight, girls?
We're having a Mexican night. Margaritas all round.
Yeah, lots of yummy cocktails. We're gonna go to the shop soon.
We're gonna be shotting some alcoholic.
Rach has brought 1942,
yeah.
I don't know how we drank so much of that last time.
Well, it explains a lot.
It does explain a lot.
Well, we're gonna make tacos, corn, we're gonna have some guac, we're gonna do some nachos. We're just feeling a bit of a themed food.
Yeah.
And it's just an excuse to drink tequila.
Exactly. I feel like we've not actually drank that much during lockdown.
No, we haven't really.
We've been pretty healthy. The thing to do is to get some food. Yeah, so we're gonna go Sainsbury's. Everyone's like cleaning up and I should probably join in right now. But yeah, I'm glad we've all done makeup today as well.
I think we just
feel a little bit more, a little bit more presentable. Okay, we've just made a little stop at Sainsbury's. It's a little bit later now actually, so we've picked up some bits for dinner and also some drinks. Oh, lovely. Some tequila.
We suckers for the TikTok. Suckers for the TikTok.
Yay!
Yeah, we do.
We need to do a taste test together. Wait, I need to take this off.
Yeah, let me, and also.
Oh yeah.
Smash that baby up. So, if you know, you know. If you shot tequila and then have a shot of pineapple.
I want to smell it.
Oh my god, it's so nice. It literally, you can't taste the tequila. Because I like the salt and lime, but I'm a sweet girl, so. I like the pineapple. Crumpets to go with the Mexican theme.
Oh, that doesn't actually smell that bad.
Let me smell. Well, it is definitely tequila, isn't it?
Yeah. But it doesn't smell like bad tequila.
It smells like a bad night, but like...
it sounds like it's gonna end in tears.
Yeah, but that's what that doesn't. Yeah.
Right.
Can we throw these?
Yeah, I feel like they need to go.
Oh, I forgot about my carbonara.
I knew you would as well. As soon as you put it in the fridge, I was like, oh, forget the glasses.
Maz is gonna show us how she seasons. Do you know what? Mexican really is my specialty, I'm not gonna lie. What did you get this? Did you say this was something that... That, with some tequila.
So no more.
Hi, Claude! I never like Claude!
Oh my god, Claude!
Why did we never? Who remembers Claude? If you remember Claude, you're an OG.
Right, cheers, girls.
Cheers, girls. Here's to a very
I can smell it. Ooh, it does smell good.
Ooh. It is water.
Oh yeah, what is that? It's just like soda water.
4.5%. Oh, it's not that strong then.
Oh, why did you say it was like 13?
Oh, I think these are like promoting a lot because they're healthy, like they're only 95
sparkling water alcohol. 95 calories and gluten free. There we go.
Really delicious.
Let's move on to the margaritas.
Yeah.
Got some Mexican lime soda.
We're kind of just like winging this margarita mix, so no idea how this is going to turn out. Cordial.
I know it's going to be limey, fruity.
That's like dropped on it.
No, I just need like, yeah, lots of ice. Lots.
I'm going to just
use all of that.
Okay. Cute.
I mean, that really is
that's kind of right.
Okay.
Aww.
Oh,
That's alright.
that's actually really good.
Try it.
That pear, I can taste the pear.
That's so good.
Oh,
That
this is
doesn't
going to be
even taste like
dangerous. Let me pour a bit more.
Oh my god, that's actually really good. Like you can't even really taste the tequila in that. And you
Sip
put quite a
it
bit.
with the salt and see if that's nice.
Why am I scared? Okay.
It's good to put more like lime in it if you want.
Ooh. What is the salt supposed to be like?
I think, don't, I'm scared it's going to pour out the other end. Because just... I think it's just meant to complement it. Because it's... Is that nice?
It's okay.
Oh,
Is that good?
really?
Wow.
Is it going to the tagine? Can I try it?
Yeah, of course you can. Oh, it's like, because the tagine's really limey, so like...
Oh, oh, it's a little...
Yeah, of course.
Something.
It's a little...
Like salty.
Add a little bit of spice to that.
Ooh.
Yeah. Like weirdly okay. Ooh. Marinated some prawns. Marinated some chicken.
I think I would lie about doing a shot.
You done with this?
Oh no. This is where it all goes downhill.
I'm going to do this and fly away. To the toilet.
Do you do breakfast straight after?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I might just have to like steal a bit of that.
Up in the night. Oh my god! Let's get drunk and make TikToks! Yes! Won't let me fulfill my dream. I keep saying with them, guys, let's do TikToks, all three of us. Okay. Hannah can go really well.
What is even that called?
The dinosaur.
Ignore the fizzing noise behind. We are cooking some sweet corn.
Ignore the fact we're burning the kitchen down. Right.
Cheers, girlies.
Cheers.
To lifelong happiness, success, and money.
Yay.
Yeah.
You didn't click me.
Oh!
Thank you.
Tequila!
I'm scared.
I dripped all over my neck.
Oh, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't too bad.
No, that's why it's dangerous, because it's not too bad.
Well, considering that's how much we drank last time. Guys, I'm not even joking. The last time we did a night like this and we stayed in, I've never had a worse hangover in my life.
And I had the dentist at 9 AM, so you can, and it was in Liverpool, so you can imagine it was not a good situation.
That's all a blur. I kind of opened my eyes and it was like, bye, Mads, and then shut, and it was like,
hello again.
Yeah.
I literally napped that whole day.
Well, yeah, that explains the lack of.
But that's the plan for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said tomorrow, I'm not cooking, I'm not moving off the sofa, I'm ordering
it's
breakfast,
duvet day.
lunch, dinner.
Thank
Watching
you.
something all day. We should watch Gossip Girl.
Yeah, Gossip Girl all day. I'm obsessed with it now. So
I'm just gonna
We
fly
should-
out. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna sip on my marks and not knock anything over.
Marks.
On me. Why do I have to shorten everything?
I don't
like
know if you do that.
I say tuna panny, like
Tuna
it's
panny. We did have a tuna panny before and it was delicious.
but it's not a Starbucks.
No, for some reason Starbucks have stopped doing them. Like, I don't know if it's like
That doesn't sound like a
seasonal
big
thing.
deal, but it really is.
But it is.
Like I used to have one daily, so instead,
I feel like we were keeping the tuna panini business alive, to be honest, at one point.
do you know what? I think that's why they're missing. Like I feel like we've ate
all of them. There is no more left
no
to eat. I'm so excited. This actually feels like a proper Saturday night.
It
now.
actually
Do you know what I mean?
does.
Like, I've missed being excited for like a Saturday night,
No,
even though
it
we're
really
staying in. But
I mean,
these are kind of the best nights.
Do you know what? Sorry, I'm back.
Are you gonna say pre-drinks are the best time of the night?
Oh my god,
Yeah.
we've literally, whenever we've been out, we've always said the best part is when we're all here, just
the
like
pre-drinks
drinking.
is always the best part of the night.
It really
so.
is, even when like, before like lockdown and everything,
Yeah.
when Daniela was here,
Yeah.
when like Will came, like it was so much better.
Absolutely, like it was the best part of the night. So it is the whole night tonight.
Yay!
Thank you. Rachel's got a fan out, of course. We've got another shot. We're trying the different tequila. What? Well, considering you do have to do the Red Bull straight after.
It's like on fire, whereas with 9.2 it's not.
Okay. We got chicken on the go.
Yummy.
Got the mince on the go.
Corn soon to be done. We've got prawns next.
Prawns.
This is gonna be
Sweet corn.
We're gonna make nachos. I feel like you can do nachos.
I can do the nachos.
You can do
you know what? So
nachos.
far it has been Chef Rach and Chef Lads, and I've been sipping the margaritas. Like,
What would you put the oven on them? Do they go under like a grill, like to melt the cheese?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, fucking delish.
This actually does look unreal.
Yay!
Food is all done. Pretty much courtesy of Chef Mads and Chef Rachel.
Yes.
Cheers!
Oh, it's getting down.
Oh my god. No, hang on. Hang on. That is so good. That's so fucking good. I'm not just saying it. That is unreal.
A few moments later.
Hey! Two is you. So
You? Who?
No, because 3 is me. 2 you. I picked someone.
Right.
Sorry. This is why I like tequila.
3. Oh.
Me.
Right.
Alright.
Sorry.
I'm done with her. She's got to go. Send her away.
Ham.
Cam.
Ram.
Ham.
Sham.
Your mum.
Yeah, but
White
that's
claw.
not what we've been drinking. So like,
Well, you had a sip.
Either way, we're gonna have to move on to the walker, and it's gonna end the
I do know. It's like Sims language.
Said either way, we've got to move on to the vodka. That is you and not me.
I think that is probably
Yeah.
5. What? Wait,
Done.
before you put your hands up, what is that?
She's got to do it, you twonk.
What do I do?
So at any point you
Rachel
can
gets
put
so
your thumbs
competitive.
And then
The last person.
which is
Oh,
you,
fine.
silly bitch.
Okay.
You are a naughty girl. feeling great.
Oh, don't say that.
Just put it out there.
Yeah,
but no one's listening. Like, okay, I don't feel good. I don't think you're listening.
Alright, pull your back.
10. Categories.
Yeah.
Football teams.
Oh, right, go on then.
Manchester City.
United. Tottenham.
Liverpool.
Chelsea. Arsenal.
West Ham.
Barcelona. Madrid.
Chelsea.
You said that.
No, I didn't.
I said that.
No, when did you say that?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that was the first one I said. Second one I said.
You tried it.
Did you?
No,
First,
no, I did.
First one you said United.
And then I said Chelsea.
No, you didn't.
I promise I did.
Watch it back. Watch it back.
No,
Chelsea never came
I
out.
promise I said Chelsea. I said City then Chelsea.
Yeah, no.
No, because I said City.
Alright,
then you said United.
Then Chelsea.
Do another one.
No, Hannah, I don't think we can include any of what I've just done. Right, okay, starting again. Hi, we're doing the Ring of Fire.
You're both silly.
Seriously.
No.
No one's gonna take me seriously ever again, right?
No, oh my God, no.
No, but the thing is,
I'm not feeling great. I'm not being funny. You know all that time I said I wasn't drunk? What are you gonna vomit about? What's going on? What's the head telepathy? What are you telepathizing about? Oh, really? Oh, cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. Oh my God. Okay, Voldemort's here.
No, I'm not great. I'm not great.
What happened? All I heard was like.
No. I'm gonna watch this back in the morning and be really concerned.
I am already quite concerned.
Leo,
It's how I feel.
you actually look so unwell. Do you know what? I've seen you unwell, but you look really unwell. You look really unwell.
Yeah, because personally, I feel
physically sick. What did you say?
Oh, really sorry, just cut the camera. Like, literally cut it because I know I'm talking about this point. And I don't want you to keep that in because I sound literally illiterate. Like, something's wrong. I've lost limbs. Like, it doesn't sound right.